just not about the money. Building from scratch requires significant time and effort. Building a shed from scratch means that you'll have to have some additional tools. You'll need tin snips and an angle grinder for trimming. You'll need rulers and a set squares for measurements and angles. You'll need a set of woodworking tools to build the ply skillion roofing fills. And you'll need a vise and some sheet metal benders for the door ramps. And here's what you'll need to do. You'll need to drill 360 holes. You'll need to measure, mark and fabricate 62 wall, roof and door channels. And you'll need to create 5 roof infills from plywood. You'll also need to measure, trim and drill 18 sheets of steel for the walls and roof. And then you'll have to fabricate 3 door ramps and 3 doors. So building a shed from scratch is going to cost you $1,251 in spare parts, and you have to do all of the jobs that we've just listed. Whereas if you buy your shed in a kit form, everything comes pre-cut, pre-drilled, ready to assemble, and you don't need any specialized tools. And you'll pay $1,347 for this, which is only $96 more. So what is your time and effort worth? Is it worth an extra $96 to save all that hassle? If you've got any thoughts, questions or ideas, write them in the comments below.